How to convert an image to a PDF file on iPhone. In this video guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can convert an image to a PDF file in your iPhone. So just go ahead and open your photos. So when you open your photos guys, go ahead and select the picture you want to convert to a PDF file. If you want to select multiple, you can just go ahead and do that and just follow the step I'm going to be showing you guys here. So when you select the picture, go ahead and click on the share icon showing below your screen. So when you click on that, I want you to scroll down to the page and look for where it says save to file. As you can see it here guys, so click on save to file. So when you click on save to file, let's go ahead and save it here. When you are done saving your picture to your file, just go ahead and open the file. When you open the file, as you can see, this is the picture we saved. So just go ahead and rename it guys. So click on the picture, click on where it says rename guys. So when you click on rename guys, just go ahead and click on the end side and name it PDF. So change that PNG or JPG to PDF guys. When you do that, just click on where it says done. It's going to give you this prompt. Just go ahead and click on where it says use PDF guys. So when you do that, as you can see, my image now is a PDF. So if you are doing it for a multiple picture, you can just go ahead and follow the same step to do this guys. So if I click it guys, you can see it's opening as a PDF. So this is how you can convert an image to a PDF. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you in the next one.